Alright, y'all. We are here at the room on the 11th floor. Room 11039. We done already came in. Give y'all a little tour real quick. See, they got a silver picture. We already know though.
Welcome to our room.
Yes, sir. We had to get in here and use the bathroom, y'all, because they did have us waiting outside. So y'all excuse the little here and there stuff we got. First of all, you walk in the bathroom, you make an immediate right. And it has this beautiful bathroom. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. They got the light up mirror. They got the mirror on the wall. Hand wash. Lotion. They got a stand up shower. Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner in there. Nice little comfortable looking beds. Got our AC control right there. This is an updated room. This is called the Flamingo room, I believe. It is just a 2-queen bed.
You see the door?
Yeah, barn style.
No.
What?
You need someone to look at while you use the bathroom.
Yeah, she gonna take a boo-boo, y'all, so she worried about it. It's nice though, nice little.
I mean, it's something to read.
It is. It's nice. I like this room. I'm not even gonna lie. This is like one of the better. It's not like the nicest room we stayed in, but it's one of the better rooms that we've been in. 2 queen size beds, and look at this, y'all. A 55-inch LG TV. Then we got counter space. We got a mini fridge in here. Yes, sir. We got this room for 4 days, y'all. We got a safe so I can put my racks in there. Yes, sir. We got a little luggage corner right here. I really like this room, y'all. Like the Flamingo is nice. It's like, it's not updated, not like a newer. Oh yeah, wait, one more thing. Look at our view, y'all. Look at this view. It's not the strip view. We don't got the view of the strip. But check this view out though. Like, oh my God. Look, we can see the link, high rise, we can see the high roller. We going on the high roller later. We'll do a video about that too. We see the pool down there. They actually, is that a lazy river they got? Yes, sir, it is. It's a lot of people heading out to the pool right now too. I think we're gonna save our pool day for tomorrow. So we can get some rest today and not be too worried about it. I don't even know where you register for the pool at, actually. We'll find that out. But anyways, yeah, y'all, so this is the room. We go sign up there. We got views. We got comfortable beds. We got nice lighting. Nice little closet. Nice TV. Y'all hear her in there talking about nice bathroom. I like it. So anyways, this is our Flamingo room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry about that. Gotta see that. Cut that part out. Anyways, so guys, this is our Flamingo room tour, and we hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Vegas videos, more travel videos. We will be editing and uploading videos daily while we're here. So you guys just stay tuned.